Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you what the different operating LEDs mean on our MXS 10 Pro Battery Charger and Maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. When the MXS 10 is powered up, the green power LED lights up along with an orange LED that corresponds to whichever mode the unit was in the last time it was switched off. If this is the first time you've used the charger, it'll be in normal mode. If you're using the temperature sensor, the orange T LED will also light up to show that the sensor's working. After you've selected the right mode that matches the type of battery, the MXS 10 gets to work. When the first LED along the top lights up, the charger's using its desulfation program to safely remove harmful sulfate from your battery. When the second LED is lit, the MXS 10 is making sure your battery can actually take the charge to prevent it trying to charge a defective battery. The third LED shows that the regular charging program has started, which uses the maximum current to charge your battery up to about 80% capacity. When the fourth LED lights up, the MXS 10 is using a lower current to get your battery safely up to 100% capacity. If your battery's been completely flat, your vehicle can now be started when this LED lights up. The fifth LED shows that the MXS 10 is testing your battery to make sure it can hold the charge. If you've selected the Recon program before you started charging your lead acid battery, the sixth LED will light up and the program will be added to the charging process. One of the great things about the CTEK MXS 10 is you can safely keep it connected to the battery for long periods of time, so your battery's always topped up. If you want to do that, keep everything connected and the green LED at step 7 will light up. This means the MXS 10 is keeping the battery charged at maximum capacity. When the 8th LED lights up, the charger is monitoring your battery and giving it a pulse every now and then to keep it fully charged. Now, like all CTEK battery chargers, the MXS 10 is extremely safe and reliable. It's short circuit proof, splash and dust proof, and if you accidentally touch the clamps together, they won't spark. But if the red error LED on the top left of the charger lights up, there's a few things you'll need to double check. Are the clamps on the right way round? Red on the positive terminal and black on the negative terminal or to ground or earth. Is the battery you're charging a 12-volt battery? Has the charging process been interrupted? If it has, press the mode button to restart the charging process. If it's interrupted again, check which part of the charging process it's stopping at. If the charging process has stopped at the first LED stage, it means your battery could be seriously sulfated. If it stops at the second LED stage, it means the battery won't accept the charge. If it stops at the 5th LED stage, it means the battery can't keep its charge. In all of these cases, the battery might need to be replaced. If you are still unsure, try the charger on a battery that you know is working to check the functionality of the charger. Well, that's just about everything you need to know about your MXS 10 Pro Battery Charger and Maintainer. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon.